racing just is started. We have Stormy Norman moving up now on the outside is one Bahamas. Speed Admiral comes next in the portion, exciting. The next online Semper Fidelis, the real thing sold Invictus, Golden You, while Bagong Barrio is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Stormy Norman by about 4 lengths. One Bahamas in second. The real thing is down on the inside, third, exciting. Then comes Golden You. Moving up now on the outside is Speed Admiral, sold Invictus, Semper Fidelis, while Bagong Barrio is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Stormy Norman, wireling anyhow. Moving up down on the inside is one Bahamas, exciting in third. Down on the inside is the real thing, Golden You, Speed Admiral. Then next online now is Semper Fidelis, sold Invictus, while Bagong Barrio is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Stormy Norman by about 3 lengths. Moving up down on the inside is the real thing, Golden You, Speed Admiral, one Bahamas. Last 100 meters is Stormy Norman, followed now by Speed Admiral. On the outside is Stormy Norman, Speed Admiral, and finally Stormy Norman, Speed Admiral, one Bahamas. Then comes the real thing, Golden You, Semper Fidelis.
Saktong-sakto lang eh. So it was Stormy Norman.